How to change add to cart button color in Shopify. So as you can see here, there's an option of add to cart, and if I just click on it, it will just load and it will get add to my cart. But if I want to change the color, so there's a various ways to change your color because it mainly depend upon the which theme you're using. So right now I'm using a very normal theme. Let me show you here. And as you can see here, I'm using clarity. If you're using a dawn, then of course there will be white. So once you have to just go to the customization section here, and once you're here, you have to go to this, click on settings gear icon, then here you have to go to the colors, and now you will see the different color scheme. Because if you see that the background is white, right, and this add to cart is also white because the background is white, that's why. So here if I change the color of my background, then automatically add to cart color will also change. Because in Shopify there's a no such option that you can change the cart add to cart color box color. So you can just always change the scheme color. For example, I will just go black here, right, and here I can just change each and everything. For example, background gradient, there is a no color chosen. So let's say that I will choose this color, and this is a gradient. Okay, and once I have done it, you can do here. So here you can always set the color of your of your need and whatever it's look. But there's another way to do this, because if you just change the color of your whole home page, of course it's going to look bad, right? So how you can just do it, just make sure you just exit it, and you have to just go to the settings, and in the settings you have to just go to the apps and sales channel, and here on the just go to the Shopify app store. And here you have to search for a colors and theme section. So basically there are some of the apps which help you to make your own kind of theme. For example, section store, this will help you to create your own theme, and you can just customize each and everything, right? So this is the best thing that you can just do it, and once you just okay with it, you can just go and install. By the way, you can always explore more, and here there's a lot of theme section which will help you to customize each and everything. Because in default Shopify option, there's a no such thing that you can add color to your add to cart box. I hope that this information is really helpful, and thanks for watching how to change color add to cart color, and see you in the next video. Subscribe.